Welcome to our Sage HRMS Sneak Preview demo. My name is Christine Luttrell, Client Account Manager and Queen of Fun at CS3 Technology. This mini demo will provide an overall look and feel of the software while highlighting several key features. Getting the right data into an HRMS system easily is expected out of all software systems in this mature marketplace. What really distinguishes one HRMS from the other is a tool that allows HR to become a strategic organizational partner by effectively analyzing data, tracking trends, and improving efficiencies. We will begin our sneak preview with a look at the employee and manager user experience utilizing data access features such as employee and manager self-service. And then we will take a look at the user experience from an HR and payroll specialist perspective. We will conclude the demo with a peek at the reporting options. So let's get started. Today's HR and payroll managers spend a lot of time answering employee and manager questions, giving advice on issues, and maintaining employee information. They also tend to be the recipient of in-person, paper, email, and phone requests for many things like employee benefits, copies of pay stubs, handbook content, or where can I find this or that type questions. Employee self-service helps reduce the administrative burden on HR and payroll departments by giving employees and managers the convenience of having all their payroll and HR-related info in one place. Instead of calling with routine inquiries, employees and managers will feel more self-sufficient when they can view information such as their personal demographic type information, their current benefits, or possibly their pay history and pay stub information. They can see this anytime, anywhere, over the internet, company intranet, or web-enabled mobile devices. Employees and managers can choose from a number of gadgets to build their own dashboards so that they have the information that's most important to them at a glance. A complete pay history, up-to-date time-off balances, and their most current benefit elections are just a few of the things that they can add to the screen. A manager can see additional information if they choose related to direct and indirect reports, such as employee compensation, employee length of service, or possibly their performance review information. Time off requests can be streamlined by giving employees the ability to view their balances, request new time off, and get manager approval, all without any paper being exchanged. Depending on the configurations you choose for various activities, information can be read-only, it can be editable with no additional approval needed, or it can be editable with approval needed prior to updating the Sage HRMS database. The choice is yours. From a manager perspective, you can address any requests, changes, or other employee-related administrative tasks directly from the self-service portal. You can review your messages. You can look at your reminders so that nothing gets overlooked. Sage ESS is customizable with freedoms to change your colors, the logos, and the content. You can include information specific to your company, such as your handbook, any new hire information and forms that might be needed, or possibly training history and training information. You can even add links to other websites, such as benefit providers, to make it easy for your employees, or possibly a web-based time clock. With add-on features available, such as paperless forms, or online benefit enrollment and life events, Sage ESS can go a long way in giving you a truly paperless office. So now let's take a look at what you, as an HR or payroll specialist, can accomplish. Sage HRMS is one centralized hub for all your HR information. It has all the essentials that you need for first-class human resource management. It will reduce time-consuming clerical work and allow you to effectively manage, track, and report on your employee data. You will be able to access all information about an employee, past or present, including demographic type information, seniority, employment eligibility, and I-9 status. You can view current job and pay information, including secondary jobs for those employees that have multiple roles or multiple pay rates. You can access a complete history of all changes to the job and pay information. You could add attachments or links to resumes, licenses or government documents. You can track notes about the employee for things like achievements, disciplinary actions, certifications, or licenses. You can also track unlimited insurance or savings benefits plans. You can add dependents and beneficiaries. And you can define the eligibility requirements and automatically calculate benefit costs. Sage HRMS allows you to manage all types of absences, including paid time off, FMLA, or leave of absence. You can ensure government compliance and avoid risk by knowing and meeting the government regulations and reporting requirements for the U.S. And if this weren't enough, you can customize your screens, your menus, your processes, and your reports to help maximize your effectiveness. Let's take a look at payroll. Employees depend on their paychecks, and they depend on their employers to pay them accurately and on time. Employers must be well versed in tax, employment, and benefit guidelines to maintain compliance with all the various regulations. With Sage HRMS Payroll, you can have complete control. You can easily set up unlimited earnings and deduction codes with support for a wide range of calculation methods and earning types, including base pay earnings and tax-only earnings. It supports a wide range of tax management capabilities, variable pay codes, including sales commission and piece rate plans, as well as a variety of pay frequencies to meet the needs of all organizations. When it comes time to process your payroll, the customizable payroll map will give you the flexibility to incorporate all steps that are necessary to complete your payroll process. You can complete your payroll process from timesheet import or time card exception management to gross to net calculations to check printing to the creation of your EFT file. You can even add a step for custom GL export to your accounting software. You can preview and print customized check and direct deposit advices, or you can eliminate the cost of printing and delivering paper checks altogether with the pay history display in Employee Self-Service that you previously saw. Sage HRMS offers comprehensive tax management features, including quarterly tax updates that ensure compliance with federal, state, and local tax regulations. They keep you up to date with workers' compensation reporting and more. As with the other Sage HRMS modules, Sage HRMS Payroll offers a complete reporting library, including banking reports, transaction reports such as your check and direct deposit registers, your needed government reports, and of course your general ledger reports as well. Of course, custom reports can be created using Crystal Reports or add-on Crystal Dashboard options for even more capability to create in-depth analysis reports with a dashboard display. So let's take a more in-depth look at the reporting capabilities. Using the over 100 standard reports, the customizable query tool, or Crystal Reports, you will be able to analyze your employee information securely and effectively. Let's take a quick look at your reporting options. Sage HRMS provides a wide variety of pre-formatted reports designed to meet virtually any reporting need. Before you start working with standard reports, you must first select the report you're wanting to run. The first step in selecting the report is accessing the report group. Scroll through the list and highlight the report that you want to run. From there, you'll define any standard criteria as well as specific criteria that's relevant. Within the standard reports, you can preview your report, you can print your report to your printer, or you can export the report to a disk file for use by other software applications. The second method of data retrieval is Secure Query. Secure Query is a desktop query and reporting tool that enables you to quickly and easily generate or modify requests for specific information. For example, sometimes you just need answers in a hurry to prepare for a meeting or to help make projections. Sage HRMS Secure Query makes it easy to get the information you need. Using Secure Query, you can select which fields to output, sort results in ascending or descending order. You can build filters and group and summarize the fields. When finished, you can choose to output the query as a report, as a spreadsheet, text file, or a database table. You can also create and save a virtually unlimited number of queries and reuse these queries anytime you need the information. The most flexible reporting option available with Sage HRMS is Crystal Reports. Using Crystal Reports for Sage, you can create unique, customized reports. Crystal Reports is a desktop and query reporting application that offers powerful data analysis capabilities. It enables you to produce a variety of presentation quality reports with a minimum amount of effort. Sage HRMS is shipped with dozens of custom report templates already created using Crystal Reports. The custom reports can be used as they are or modified to suit your exact reporting needs. With additional integrated options such as recruiting and onboarding, database monitoring and alerts, time and attendance, talent management, web-based paperless forms, or benefits enrollment, you can maximize your effectiveness in the organization. Thanks for joining my sneak preview demo. For an in-depth custom demonstration that addresses your specific needs, just give us a call and a sales rep will get you going today.